Hi guys, it came here. We are doing the fan sound today. Hey, these fans on the floor are the same sound. You guys got two 40 centimeter, one 50 centimeter, and one 30 centimeter. We are gay fan, nothing more. It's gonna color. I painted a game. Hey, we also for this one at the same time or so. Okay. The probably in the kids model. Here they all got the same sound, that's why. And that's why they got the same sound. Hey, this is a this band blade is a overhead or a flower head. Good design. This here is a edge set. One of the old array type. Got the axe. The new model. And it is good. Bin or rubbish. In here, this is okay with this fan blade. It's the same with that bike a bit smaller. It is a bit bigger. Is a bit like a head or a head, and this one is a 30 centimeter as head, and they all sound the same, and they all different model. Here is the fan video. Here. Thanks for watching this fan blade sound. It's interesting. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.